Sorry, Maris.
Ginulat ni kapamilya aktres Maris Racal ang kanyang mga tagahanga sa exclusive interview sa kanya ng Star Magic. Ito ay matapos niyang ianunsyo na hiwalay na sila ni Rico Blanco. Hindi nga mapigilan ni Maris ang maluha habang sinasabi niya na hiwalay na sila ni Rico Blanco. Ayon kay Maris ay nito lamang nagdaang mga linggo sila naghiwalay ni Rico. Narito at panoorin natin ang buong pahayag ni Maris Racal hinggil sa break-up nila ni Rico Blanco.
Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful. It was so full of love, laughter, music, everything. It's spontaneity, everything. Sa 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page. I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. The truth is, I am going through changes. And alam naman natin yan, change is either good or bad. But what I hate about change is that it's inevitable. Hindi mo siya matatakasan.